Hey guys, welcome back. We've got some exciting stuff happening on these hives right now. I know you guys are waiting for part 2 of me actually installing these bees. It is in YouTube limbo right now. It says it's uploaded, but I can't get it to play. So I'm still trying to get it to go. I'm not sure what the issue is with it, but we're gonna kind of skip ahead today and I'm gonna show you guys the hives. I just came out and checked on the hives, and this hive right here is very, very busy. There's a lot going on, and I'm actually talking to Taylor from Pure Living for Outdoors. He is on the horn with me trying to figure out what is up with this hive. I'm gonna flip the camera around real quick and I'm gonna show you guys what the other hives are doing. I'm gonna show you what this hive is doing. If you know why, let me know in the comments. I can't tell if we're getting robbed or what's going on. So I'll turn around and show you guys. All right guys, so here's our hives. It's pretty low bee activity happening over on this one. This one's got some pretty moderate bee activity. There's a lot of bees coming in and out. Today's the first real hot day. Real nice hot day. Actually, just now in the here in the last like hour, the sun came out and it's kind of taken off. Now this hive is just loud. There's bees all over the front of it. There's bees flying all around the entrance. I can't really tell that they're coming from one direction or not. I can't tell if they're coming from these hives and coming right over to this hive. So I can't tell if these guys are just flying over and robbing here. But the hives are active today, very active. This is the most activity we have seen. It's been pretty cool to sit out here and watch it, but it came as a surprise. It was just so much more activity than we were used to, so thought we better call someone with a little bit more experience and ask him what he thought. So Taylor's just kind of taking a look at the pictures and videos I'm sending and trying to do his best to let me know what's going on. This is the first time we've seen drones out of the hive. You can see a couple drones right at the entrance there. So we've got the second box up on top, and that just has syrup for feeding sugar water, a 1-to-1 ratio sugar water up on top. So they can't get up in there, they're just able to get to the bucket of syrup. Looks like all the hives are starting to pick up with the activity. All right guys, well I'm just taking a little break from some building that I'm doing. I came out here real quick to check on the bees, seen all this was going on, and so I figured I would fire up a camera really quick and show you guys what was going on. If you have any answers, if this is probably just normal bee behavior, but it's new to me, them being out busy, so I didn't know if my hives were getting swarmed on by another hive or if we were getting robbed. I don't know, but the best thing we can do is ask some questions, sit and watch, and just try to learn from their behavior, try to get a feel of what's taking place right here. It's interesting stuff though. It's pretty cool to sit and watch it. See some drones for the first time, a lot of bees happening. We've got 5 more days before Per the recommendation of the people that we got the bees from, we got 5 more days before we can open it up and go through and see if we've got any kind of building going on. Hopefully they're drawing new comb. Hopefully we're laying some brood. Hopefully we're building this hive. All right, guys, well, thought I would share it with you. I'm gonna get back to work now. Keep coming out and kind of checking on these guys, seeing how they're doing. Give you guys a little sneak peek of some of the progress that's been going on out here. Now I told you guys in some previous videos that we were going to be renting some equipment, and then we were going to have a guy come out with equipment. We wound up not having the guy come out with the equipment. He was reasonably priced. It sounds like everyone in the area is priced the same. They're about $1.50 an hour. Which was fine, except he had a 6-hour day minimum, which I didn't need him for. I didn't think I needed him for that. I kind of hope that the area that I'm going to show you guys, oh, you can see behind me, I flattened out. Remember, this had all those stumps in there. You can see the stumps right there. Those are all my root balls. So all of these out here are standing up. We just took that track loader, and if you just push them and tip them over and then come back, grab the root ball and push them again, they pop right out. So you can get a bunch of them in one fell swoop. But I'm gonna turn this around and show you guys. So the area that was next to the garden that I had showed you previously, he wanted to charge 6 hours for it, and I didn't see it taking 6 hours. I didn't feel comfortable doing that. Many of you had pointed out that leaving the root balls, you know, grinding it off at the stump and then leaving the root balls underneath would probably cause me a lot of problems, you know, come building time, and you guys are right. Anyway, so I'll spin this around and show you guys. Look at all that. Look at all of that. That is our building site, guys, and it is smooth. There are no root balls. Pretty cool. We've got all of this stuff over here that's going to need to get chipped up. We got this stuff that's going to need to get burnt, and then there's a bunch of firewood for next winter. So we made a lot of progress. Take you guys this way so you can just see how big of an area this is that I cleared. So here's the cool thing about it, guys, is I was gonna get charged six hours at $1.50 an hour. We're looking at around $1,000 to $1,100 with a delivery fee as well for him to transport the equipment. So I had already ordered the track loader. I was already out here doing the work at, I think it cost me $325 for the rental for 8 hours. I got the apiary cleared out completely. I got the garden area cleared out and leveled, and I got that building area. Got the whole building area back there, the place for the cabin build site. I got all of that done, and I left 3 hours on the rental. So I got all that stuff cleared, 5 hours, and it was Easter weekend as well, so I didn't get to do work most of Sunday. And I did everything that I wanted to do. I even cleared another little area over by the driveway that I wanted to move some stuff, and I was just out of stuff to do, which is pretty cool. So saved myself 1,100 bucks. Can't beat it, and I'm happy with it. You know, instead of having root balls underneath this stuff, everything is up. So now when we come in, dig some foundation, we don't have to worry about hitting stuff. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. You can see the guinea keats over there maybe a little bit. Maybe not. The guinea keat's an a-hole. He's growing more and more bold as the days go on. He will come all the way across this field and come at you. When I was on the skid loader, I was pushing stuff, and he would actually come at me while on the skid loader as if he was going to do something about it. But we are right though, they're laying eggs. We found the nest right over here in this pile of stuff. And there's, this morning I think there was 8 or 9. There's 9 guinea hen eggs down in this pile, and I'll kind of take you guys in there and show you. I don't think she's sitting on them. I think she's laying them and then leaving. So I don't know that anything's gonna hatch. I think she has to lay on them. I don't know how guinea keets work. So we might not be getting any guinea keets, but I'll show you guys their eggs. You see all those little eggs down there? Yeah, still 9. They're just little things, kind of weirdly shaped too. Anyway, so that is the guinea keet and bee and land clearing saga for the day. I do have some video of me actually clearing the land. I've got a lot of stuff recorded, not a lot of stuff edited. I've got that bee video. I got it stuck in limbo, which really bothers me because it took me a long time to upload it. It takes a long time to upload videos out here trying to catch a signal or having to go to like a coffee shop in town and sit. Pain in the butt. So it takes a couple hours to upload a video, which is a lot. That's a lot of downtime or sitting around time. So I try to get some editing and download a video on one day. So if I'm gonna blow a day, that's what I do. Well, that is it for this, guys. If you've got any suggestions on what the heck the bees are doing, they might just be having fun. Taylor suggested that they could have found a flow, that one hive, and so they are just busy going to that source and coming back. So could be that, I don't know. We'll just have to sit and learn. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for those guinea keets. We'll catch you on the next one. Don't feed the bears.